rugged, versatile, cordless. Introducing the newest innovation in tube and pipe cutting technology, the new Tube Saw by Tri-Tool. Now you can cut with more precision, portability, and power while also cutting out the cord. Two sets of quick-change toolless clamp adapters support a wide range of tube diameters. Ambidextrous operation for left and right-handed use provides enhanced adaptability at the work site. An easy-install saw blade system accepts multiple blade types, materials, and designs, making it the go-to tool for all your cutting needs. And because the Tube Saw is from Tri-Tool, you can be assured you're getting industry-best quality and lasting durability. The sealed precision bearing prevents wear and tear to ensure clean cuts every time. An integrated laser on the front faceplate enables fast and accurate alignment. The multi-purpose base plate can bolt to a work surface or mount to a tripod pipe stand for easy setups. Hard anodized coatings throughout the machine provide corrosion resistance and extend tool life even in the harshest conditions. No more cords, no more restrictions. Now you have the freedom of portability without sacrificing power. The Tube Saw from Tri-Tool. Get more precise and productive cuts while also cutting out the cord.